We're off, I think. We both moved! You look really low. What's up, guys? So today we're having Five Guys. I have never had this on my channel, ever. Look how many fries! Like, look at this bag. If that doesn't scream health for the new year, I don't know what does. It's supposed to be just this cup, but the whole bag was filled. So, also, it was $1 million, but we're not going to talk about that. It's okay. We're not going to be mad about it. Well, I mean, it's not like cheap fast food, you know what I mean? It was $29. I could have got sushi. Yeah. But anyway. So I got a double cheeseburger. Pat got a single cheeseburger. I got mine all the way. And I got Durf one too. Which has like everything. I don't know what all the way means. I forgot. Mayo, mustard, mushrooms, onions. No sé qué más. Lettuce, tomato. Holy crap. Look. Yeah. It looks juicy as hell, so that's cool. Pickles. I have these chilies, the yellow ones. I'll put them right here. And then I have a jalapeno, because, you know. And then we have these fries. And a bunch of ketchup. And then they have vinegar, which I started to put in a little cup because I was curious. But then they had packets. So then I Googled it when I was driving home. It's for fish and chips. But these are chips, so I want to try it. It's very juicy. That makes sense. Like, what did you say? In-N-Out's like more dry? This is like creamy juiciness. Hello, napkins. These fries are really good. I was picking at them on my way home. But I had no idea there was this many in the bag. Okay, Pak.
Yeah.
Pak is wearing a robe. She's half dead.
I have been. I got worse.
She did get worse. This is gonna smell. You ready? You should start taking the medicine that I got your sister. Alright, I'm gonna try this in vinegar, because ill. The reviews I was reading said that people steal the bottles of malt vinegar. I was like, the hell? So yeah, I've never done Five Guys. I've only eaten it twice ever.
I've never eaten it.
Oh? It's really good. I remember last time I ate it, I was like, oh my god, that was expensive. You know what I mean? It would be expensive to eat this as a family.
Yeah.
Yours looks good though. Huh. I don't want to get yours like this. Look. There's like several things you don't like. I'd rather you enjoy it. Can I dip this? Are you doing that? Whew. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on things that I haven't done. It's gonna be fun. You guys already know I love Wingstop. I love sushi. But there's other foods, you know? They like Mexican a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Like, oh my goodness. This is the biggest pile of fries I've ever seen.
The kids will enjoy them.
Uh-huh. You ever notice kids aren't never full? They just leave the food and want something else.
Mm-hmm. Last night at 4 in the morning, she scared me to death. I was
Twice.
in the kitchen. Yeah. And I was getting warm water. She's like, I pack. And I literally couldn't see anything and I wasn't like coherent yet. So I didn't understand. But, oh my god. For the past like 3 nights, I'm up till like 4. Only because I can't sleep. Because I'm coughing so much.
Do you want to go to the doctor's?
Not really. Like, I'm scared. What if they're like, you have bronchitis? It's a thing. My friend
You're
had
like,
it.
I nobody got time for that.
I think I should though. Because it's like getting worse instead of better.
I thought it was because you were cold. Take this off of me.
Because I was cold.
Mm-hmm. But that didn't happen until like 7 a.m.
Yeah.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Because before that I was hot. I took my socks off.
Mm-hmm.
I was hot and I was like, why am I wearing socks?
Mm-hmm.
It was funny. Whew. So they had other options, like A1 sauce and all these lovely things, but the lady was kind of like rushing me. I hate when that happens.
I hate when they do that because it like ruins it.
Yeah, like I wanted to be like, what's your most popular, like, you know, pick her brain. But I was so hungry, I was just like, forget it. I'd just be like, give me that all the way. Boom. They had shakes. I didn't even know they had fish and chips. Like, what? I probably would have got that too. But yeah. I even looked up videos. Would you get it again?
I feel like I know it's not healthy, but I feel like it's healthier than In-N-Out.
Oh, no.
No?
Mm-mm.
Really?
In-N-Out's more clean. Clean and small and, like, tidy and put together. Low-key boring.
Mm-hmm.
These are, like, you could taste the love. You know what I mean?
I feel like mine is healthier. You have double cheeseburger over there.
True. But still. I should look up what the percent of meats they use.
In history class, the first 10 minutes, every single day, nothing different. We watched 10 minutes of news. And one of the days, they were talking about In-N-Out meat. I got like a D on their like clean meat or something like that. And my teacher, like the night before, had ate it. And she said that she wanted to like die because she ate that. But now they fixed it. This was like a month ago though, I don't know. Like 2 months ago.
Like 2 months, yeah. And I had told you I had been thinking about In-N-Out for like a hot minute.
And I was like,
You were like, no. I was like, what? Okay. My goodness. This is filling, huh?
I am full.
Is you? Is you full? You're gonna eat Thai food with me, right?
I love Thai food. I only had it once. Wait, did it? Was that Thai food?
Mm-hmm. Wait, did we have it together? Oh, we had the one together.
Vegetarian.
But the second time, it was good. When I got it with your dad, I ate all the curry. Like, I ate it like it was going out of style.
Oh, yeah. I like crunchy fries.
Me too. The burgers are gone. We can have them now. Oh my goodness. This was good. I'm not getting
Grease?
Cajun flavoring.
Oh.
Am I supposed to ask for that, or that's just how they are, like, this style? I was expecting, like, a powder.
Why?
I don't know.
You know what I want? Cheesecake.
What?
Cheesecake.
What the hell? Cheesecake is cold and it'll make you cough.
Everything makes me cough.
True. My poor Pack.
Like, I'm breathing like that all day.
To try not to cough.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, Pack. We'll lay down and watch a movie again. We watched Beetlejuice and...
Teaching Miss Tingle.
Yeah.
It's a good movie. I've literally been laying around for like 2 days. Like, why am I going into the new year like this? Literally wearing a robe. Like, I had no chill. My mom got me this robe. It has cat ears. Hold on. My robe's name is Phoebe.
So yeah, if you haven't tried Five Guys, you should go try it. It's kind of a little pricey, at least for this girl. And look how many fries are left. Like, we could feed a town.
Mm-hmm.
That was one large fry. But anyways, let me know the color of your chonies. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!